Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Prachi Gupta. Today I am going to explain chapter 11 of English Reader of class 1st. The name of the chapter is Nico Draws Cats, which are as clever as mice. It is a comic book. It is like a comic book story. It is all about pictures. I will explain this story with the help of pictures. See. Picture has made like comics have you read any time? In comics there are lot of pictures and something written about the picture. See, now I will tell you about the story. Long time ago, in a small village of Japan, there lived a naughty little boy. His name was Nico. Means, in a small village of Japan, a boy named Nico lived there. Lived in the small village of Japan long time ago. See, Nico is a boy and he lived in a small town. And what was his hobby? His hobby is to draw cats everywhere. His hobby is to draw cats everywhere. Wherever he want, he used to draw cats. Wherever he want, he used to draw cats. Then one day his father said, "Oh Nico, you must stop drawing cats. You must stop drawing means तुम्हें cats बनाना बंद कर देने चाहिए. How will become a farmer like me? You should be a farmer like me. See, I am a farmer. You should be a farmer like me. See, he is drawing cats everywhere." Now, at the temple, when father has said to Nico, then at the temple a priest gave him a box of wooden tools like brush, ink, rice paper. He taught him to read and write. When long time ago, pencil, pen, erasers and papers are not there. Papers were not there. They used to write with brush, ink and some special type of papers called rice paper. They used to read or write on that. So for education, a priest gave him a box of wooden tools to Nico. Now, but Nico does not want to write. Nico does not want to write or read. He only want to draw cats everywhere. He always want to draw cats everywhere. The priest, he has given him paper, pen, ink, brush. He has finished his paper in drawing cats. See, he has drawn cats everywhere. See, and on the doors of temple, on the walls of temple, everywhere he has drawn cats. Everywhere he has drawn cats. But when he did this thing, priest scolded Nico. "Oh Nico, you will not become a priest. आप priest भी नहीं बन पाओगे. I will have to send you home. मुझे आपको घर पर वापस भेजना पड़ेगा." After listening this, Nico returned to home. After listening this, he went to home. See, he is going to his home back. After that, on the way, in the night, he has stayed somewhere in a empty home, in a empty place. He has lightened the candle and he is asking, "Where is everyone? But nobody is there. But nobody was there. Again he dipped his brush in the ink and again he started to draw cats. Everywhere, on the paper, on the walls, on the floor. Everywhere he started to draw cats. See, everywhere he started to draw cats. Here. Everywhere he used to draw cats. And when he get tired, he want to lay down, he want to sleep. But that room was very big and the darkness in the room made him scared. And at last he was feeling that something crawling inside the big room. Something was crawling inside the big room on the floor. It is very scary and it seems very big. It is very big and it is very fearful. because nobody is in the temple. Because nobody is in the temple, so he is very scaring. But at last he slept. At last he slept. Suddenly what happened? The sound came again. The sound of scary sound came again and come closer to room. And room के पास आती चली गई. वो एक he shrank to a corner. कॉर्नर में सिकुड़ के बैठ गया. Then he suddenly heard something else. उसने फिर कुछ सुना. ऐसा लगा जैसे कुछ गिर गया है. It was quiet after that. And after that, when he listened to the fallen down voice, it was quiet after that. Nico wished he was at home. Nico missed his home at that time. He wanted to go back to home as soon as possible. At last, when morning happened, at last it had morning. In the morning, he stepped out of the room. What he saw? A rat is dead outside. A rat is dead outside. Now he realized. In the night, a rat is moving here and there and watching the cat picture. He is scared. It means rat is scared and fallen down from the floor and died. Now Nico decided he will not stop drawing cats because the drawing of cats saved him today. Means last night, when he returned to the village, he told about all the villagers about the monster rat. He told all about the monster rat. And now Nico has decided he will not become a farmer, he will not become a priest, he will become an artist who only draw cats and cats. It is a beautiful comic. All we will read again so that you will understand it properly. Thank you everyone.